We're summarizing a powerful interview with Sri Vishnumurthy Bhatt, as featured on United Media's YouTube channel. Background: the Manjunath Temple of Dharmasthala, a revered pilgrimage site in southern India, was originally managed by Brahmin priests. One of the early administrators was a respected figure from the family of Sri Attoji Rao. Vishnumurthy Bhatt shares that he learned much of the temple's early history from his maternal uncle, Sri Ananta Alevuraya, a priest who once served there. Alleged power grab. During the time of the Nelladi kings, when temple funding was requested, significant internal conflict arose. According to the interview, the ancestors of the current administrative family allegedly poisoned the then head of the temple to seize control. A separate shrine was later built for a Brahma Rakshas, seemingly to atone for this act. A similar story is mentioned involving Krishna Bhatt. Land title controversy. During the tenure of Manjaya Hegde, a major shift occurred. The official land title was transferred illegally from Lord Manjunath to Manjaya Hegde himself. Later, though the family adopted a child to continue the lineage, a biological child, Suresh Ballal, was later born, but reportedly remains distant from temple affairs. Criticism of current management. Bhatt alleges that today's management believes they are beyond question. He claims this mindset has led to numerous injustices and unchecked power. Serious allegations. He recounts a disturbing incident from the 1960s where Sri L. Chittaya, a local communist leader who aided the poor during land reforms, was allegedly targeted. Bhatt says a young Virendra Hegde led a group that burned down Elchitaya's shop, though Elchitaya fortunately survived. Sovjanya case. Vishnumurthy also raises concerns about the infamous Sovjanya case, stating that CCTV footage that was initially confirmed as available by the police was later reported missing. He questions why those police officials, guess PC, involved in the investigation, now holding high-ranking positions, were allegedly rewarded for what he calls a cover-up. Mistaken identity? Perhaps the most disturbing claim. He alleges that Sovjanya's murder was a case of mistaken identity. The original target, he says, was Varsha, whose family land was being contested by the temple authorities. Retaliation against protest. According to Bhatt, when he began protesting these issues, a false rape case was filed against him. Another protester, Thimmarodi Mahesh Shetty, was reportedly attacked as well. A call for change. Bhatt warns that if such unchecked power continues, there could be public unrest similar to the revolution that once overthrew the monarchy in Nepal. What can be done? He urges people to peacefully protest, question the government, and write to central authorities demanding action. One key demand is the removal of Mr. Hegde from his position as MLC. A challenge to the administration. Protesters have publicly asked Mr. Hegde to come forward and swear before the Dharmasthala deities that neither he nor his family are involved in any of these incidents. But, as per Vishnumurthy, there has been no response, only attempts to suppress the movement. Disclaimer: these are the claims made by the interviewee, Sri Vishnumurthy Bhatt, and are being shared for informational purposes. Viewers are encouraged to watch the full interview on United Media and form their own opinions. Subscribe for more such deep dive summaries and updates.